Good morning, everybody, and this is your S&P 500 setups for today. So, wasn't expecting much to happen yesterday, being Monday, but the Feds were talking. Anyway, just want to set these levels up quickly. So at the moment, we have a fairly strong level that we struggled to get through, but yesterday we were below it for quite some time until late in the session before we broke through it. And that level was 57.44. You can round it off to 57.50. And then we also have a flag break. So it's a bit of a weak flag, but look at your oscillators here on the 8 hour. You've got diversions. See, there's a swing low, current swing low. And if you look at that, it's almost a double bottom. We can actually just put a level in and check it on the lower time frames. You can see there's the first swing low, there's the second one. And if you look at the oscillators at the same time, even if I go back one fractal, I can even go back two fractals, and you can see the diversions. So clear diversions, oscillators have separated and crossed over, so that is fairly bullish. And if you look at what's above us is an all-time high. So let's get that in. And now you can see 2 touches here and 3 touches. Well, 2 on the top, sorry. So 1, 2 there and 1, 2 the one. So we look for 5 normally, but this could very well be a flag break, but it could also just be a range. We'll get down to a different bit of structure. I think this is the key level for me. It's 57.44 and probably 57.50. We'll get that now. There is a pin bar here, and if I'm not mistaken, it's 57.50. So that is the zone that I am very interested in. If you look at the oscillators now on the hour, a bit of confusion, so you should expect some kind of a pullback, probably to close a gap or at least test the top of this flag. Or should we just call it a channel for now? You see the chaos from yesterday, and I think you'll see this better on the 15-minute. So with one-way traffic, and then all of a sudden we accelerated the upside. You can see this top of the channel has been respected as we got there late in the session yesterday, and then just hovered around it. Now we've come back to the top. So I'm looking to buy the pullback, and 57.50 is a key area, but just above it is more structure, and that is at 57.55. So 57.55, 57.50, 57.46, those are the areas I think we should be waiting for an opportunity to buy. Bear in mind, 57.80, which is the current all-time high, is going to offer a lot of resistance. So I would wait for structure lower down and then for a move back to the upside. Now, there is a lot of structure lower down, and I think this is another level you also need to just draw in at 57.33 and 5700. If I'm not mistaken, 57.27, probably in this area. 57.20, 5700 is bottom of range. Okay, so if you just look left, you see all the structure. There's pin bars here, there's pin bars in the middle, there's pin bars to the upside. There's a lot of structure here. This does look like a bit of a top forming. Could be a flag forming, but then the flag target is going to be here, just under the gap at 57.55. So I would be waiting for a pullback to 57.55, 57.50, or 57.44. Those are my key areas. If we drop below that, I'm going to be a little bit more cautious and just wait for better structure. But what we're looking for is inside bars and pin bars and engulfing bars. If we see that on one of those levels, then that is the opportunity to buy into this. Anyway, I hope that helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.